How to request money on Google Pay. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to request money on Google Pay. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Follow the shown steps to request money using Google Pay. Step 1. Open the Google Pay application on your Android or iOS device. Step 2. From the bottom of your screen, swipe up. Step 3. Now, you need to tap the photo of the contact form which you require payment. Note that you can even search for their name, phone number, account number, or UPI ID. Step 4. Open that contact and at the bottom of your screen, tap on the request option. Step 5. You will need to enter the amount and description. Step 6. At last, tap on the request option. You will get a notification from Google Pay when the other person pays or declines your request. Remember that you will receive money in the account set as primary in your Google Pay bank account settings. So, this is how you can request money on Google Pay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.